Developing a new medication may take between 10 and 15 years, and between $1 and $2 billion might be spent in research. One of the most widely used strategies for developing new medication is docking. However, its main drawback is that it requires massive computing capacity. Why is this process so long and costly? Mainly because to get approval for its use, thousands of molecules have to be tested and filtered using bioinformatic tools, and clinical as well as lab tests also need to be conducted. What will happen if we could make tests more agile, or we could test much more molecules? It's very likely that lead times and financial costs could be reduced, allowing new medication to make it to the market at cheaper price. Specifically, in the first filtering stage, the cost and capacity of the currently available computational calculations produce a bottleneck in the use of the bioinformatic tools. This is why the goal of this project is to develop a non-distributed and collaborative network in which users could be able to share their computational capacity, making it available to every scientist or researcher involved in the development of new drugs. What is so innovative about this? Well, the user could not be sharing the capacity for free. On the contrary, they will be financial reward for the use of their computing capacity. These earnings will be allocated by cryptocurrency mining software. This way, on the one hand, it could be possible to make available to new researchers already computational calculates capacity without any operating cost. And on the other hand, the users of the network sharing the capacity could be making money to cover their own operating costs. This will also increase citizen participation in new drugs development, narrowing the gap between society and the scientific community, and allowing people to actively partake in the fight against COVID-19 and other diseases that may appear in the future. The intellectual property rights coming from the design and implementation of the project will be shared between the scientists and a church of it and in the people sharing their computing capacity. Of course, we have a plan to make this happen. First, we will validate the prototype in a relevant environment. Then, we will get further validation from control groups of users. Finally, we will validate it by resolving a free date of real computer-aided drug discovery-related problems within an operational environment. Our team is composed of Dr. Gerald Zapata, a scientific chief officer with 20 plus years of experience in molecular modeling and new drugs evaluation. Juan Luis Ibarra, as the project manager, he has led the cost estimating and business model design process of several startups. And I, Paolo Notari, as our financial advisor, will lead the coordination of user client and the cryptocurrency mining process. Thank you so much.